I wanted to know what it's like for Daniel Cameron, Kentucky's first black attorney general, to handle the Breonna Taylor case. But Cameron, who has repeatedly said that he wants to be seen as an impartial figure in this case, never let his answers get too personal or emotional.
What will ultimately make the decision for us are the facts.
Attorney General Daniel Cameron says it's his duty to not let the protesters at his home affect the Breonna Taylor investigation.
Again, understand the passion and understand people want answers. We want to provide the answers, but we have to do it in a way that respects this process and in a thorough manner that make sure that we get all the facts before we make our judgment.
Cameron says he recognizes the right of people to protest, but says the demonstrations on his lawn only escalate tensions.
I recognize the importance of being the first African American Attorney General, the first African American to be independently elected. And so this case in particular, because of the individuals involved, Ms. Taylor in particular, I recognize the importance of making sure that we get this right. That is my duty and responsibility as the Attorney General. As a black man, I certainly have that responsibility as well.
What kind of experiences did you have with law enforcement as a black man growing up in America?
I haven't had any bad experiences with law enforcement, but what I've said repeatedly is that shouldn't detract from others that have had bad experiences with law enforcement. That shouldn't detract from people that have had bad experiences in life outside of law enforcement. Black folks that have had issues and challenges, I don't discredit those in any way because of the experiences that I have.
For Cameron, the essence of justice requires him to set his opinions and life experiences aside.
Justice for
Mark Vanderoff, WLKY News.
Cameron says he cannot comment on specifics of the investigation or say when it will be complete.